You've definitely seen these Claymation-style AI videos on your feed and wondered how they're made. This Instagram page gained 35,000 followers with top videos hitting 2.2 million and 1.4 million views, and counting. Watch what I just created with AI in under 5 minutes. I'll show you the exact free method right now. First, take a screenshot of an inspiration page you like and upload it to Claude AI. Ask it to analyze the content style, tone, and format. Then type, "Write me a script," and hit enter. Claude will ask a few quick questions, answer them, and in seconds, you'll have a complete scene-by-scene script ready to use. Once your script is ready, ask Claude to write me a visual prompt for the scenes. Here's the genius part. These prompts work as both image and video prompts, saving you tons of time. Copy your Scene 1 prompt and head to Google ImageFX. Paste your prompt, generate your image, and pick your favorite. Click Add to Prompt to keep your character and style consistent. Copy Scene 2, paste it, and repeat for every scene. Your claymation characters stay perfectly consistent throughout. Select each image, click Animate, and paste the same scene prompt. Your videos generate in seconds. Once all scenes are done, ask Claude for a full voiceover script. Paste it into 11 Labs or Google AI Studio and generate your audio. Combine everything in your video editor, sync with captions, and export. Your viral claymation video is ready, completely free. Subscribe to Bulk AI, drop a like, and see you in the next one.
You will never escape from me!